Today, the big red Angry Bird is looking after the little yellow Angry Bird, and they're having lots of fun. Big red Angry Bird, you like looking after the little yellow Angry Bird, don't you? Yeah, he does. Oh no, but the little yellow Angry Bird's gone missing. Oh, we're gonna have to find him, aren't we? Is the yellow Angry Bird on the bed? No, I don't think he is. Is the little yellow Angry Bird in the wardrobe? He's not in here either. He hasn't managed to get outside, has he? Well, I can't see him. Can you? No. He's not anywhere on the desk either. Where the heck has he gone? Is he on top of the chest of drawers? He's not up here either. We're never going to find him at this rate. What's that red Angry Bird? You think you can see him? Where? Up here? Oh, he's in the light. How did he get up there? The little yellow Angry Bird's back with the big Angry Bird, and they can all play safely together again.